Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is 11th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that Baichung's father is 26 year younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 year older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So let the age of Baichung's father is equal to x. So age of Baichung is equal to x minus 29. Then age of Baichung's grandfather is equal to x plus 26. So according to question, तीनों का सम है हमारे पास x plus x minus 29 plus x minus plus 26 ये हमें गिवन है 135. So 3x minus 3 is equal to 135. So 3x is equal to 3 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. So 135 plus 3. So x is equal to 138 upon 3 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 46. So age of Baichung's is equal to x minus 29. So हो जाएगा 46 minus 29. So हो जाएगा 17. Then age of Baichung's father is equal to x is equal to 46. Then age of Baichung's grandfather हो जाएगा x plus 26 is equal to 46 plus 26 से हो जाएगा 72. Thank you.